Good morning guys, how's it going? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Today we have an exciting video for you. We are putting up a 2019 Bullitt versus my 2019 Mustang GT. This is something I've been wanting to do for a minute. I've seen these cars at the showroom, stuff like that. Never actually seen one on the road. They're really, really rare. And if you don't know much about it, I'm gonna have the owner go ahead and explain it. So you want to say hi real quick?
How you doing?
So this is his beautiful car. I'm gonna have him talk about it, tell you all the details in terms of, you know, power, stuff like that. There's quite a bit of differences that you'll find between a regular GT versus this Bullitt Edition GT. So go ahead, take it away.
Yeah, this is a 2019 Bullitt, 100% stock, didn't change nothing. Differences they say is the open air box, throttle body, and intake. Modified version of the GT350, and exterior is just some debadging, unique grille, upper and lower, and the Bullitt on the back.
So I'm going to give you guys a few shots of the car, show you some of the features we're talking about here. This is a fully spec'd model, so you've got every possible option.
Yeah, there's three options, and it has all three options: Recaro seats, Magna Ride, and the BL sound system.
So this thing's absolutely gorgeous. I love the Recaro stitching and like the green to match the paint here. Very, very beautiful all the way around. And you have that white shift knob right there. The billet on the steering wheel. So with a lot of these cars, the owners usually don't modify them because
the uniqueness
of it will take kind of away from its value if you do, right?
I would assume so, yeah.
Yeah, so are you in the same boat as in you don't want to modify, you just rather enjoy it the way it is?
Yeah, I mean, it's you know, it's the price is up there, already has intake, exhaust, so I'm going to enjoy it.
You're going to enjoy it the way it is. And that's probably the smart way to go with something like this. I mean, if you're planning to modify, then probably just get a GT and do all you want to it.
Yeah.
But if you're paying the premium for something that is already as good looking as this is with all the options on it, probably just smart to kind of leave it as is, have your fun with it, and that way when it's time to sell, if you want to and upgrade to something else,
yep,
you're not getting dinged for all the modifications you've done. So it's kind of like a tastefully modded GT, if you could say. So it's got the intake manifold, it's got an intake, he's got the active exhaust, it has the Magna Ride suspension as well, which is, you know, gonna take care of that you know, handling. So all around, it's a very, you know, appealing package. Now I know not everyone's gonna be a fan of the look, but the people that get it, they enjoy the look.
Oh yeah, the people that do get it, they just go, I love your car, I like your Bullitt, and they know right away what it is. Or if they don't know what it is, the color gets them.
The color, yeah.
The color gets them. They go, did you paint it? No, that's what it is.
Stock color. Yeah, no, it's pretty sick. I like the fact that the Brembo is already painted red. I know I had to do mine.
I saw yours and I was like, do the white lettering, and you did it on black.
I did it black because the car's black, but I'm probably actually going to end up switching it out again because I'm going to wrap my car or something. So
oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, we're going to do something different there. But yeah, I'm very excited to kind of see if we put them kind of head to head between the two and see where everything kind of stands. So he's never really put his car up against a new Mustang and seen what it can do. And I haven't even seen any of these on the road, so today is gonna be kind of a surprise for both of us.
Yeah.
So you want to tell them the power figures?
It says it's 480 horsepower and the same 420 torque.
Okay.
So I'm curious to see if it's gonna help it or it's gonna hurt it, the intake.
The intake, I'm sure it's gonna help it. Let's be serious here. You got an intake, you got the manifold, I think it's gonna help it. He's even telling me there's some people quoting that these cars are even making more power than that they're underrated. So today will be kind of a telling point of where it stands next to, I mean, my car is not a base model, but just a regular GT. So 480 is that's pushing 20 horsepower more. The car is pushing 460. Same torque numbers.
Do you have Magna Ride on yours?
I don't have Magna Ride. So my suspension, I have stock suspension. So only thing is, I'm not sure if all that stuff that you have extra could initially be more weight to your car. Yep. That might hurt it a little bit. I'm not sure, but we'll find out. I mean, we'll definitely find out because he does have the Magna Ride, Recaro's, active exhaust. You got all that stuff. So let's go ahead and kind of let you guys hear it, if you don't mind.
Oh yeah.
Give it let us hear the different modes. And I'm curious to see if we can hear the intake when you do it too. definitely got a deep tone to it.
You just do quiet in track.
Okay.
You know what's the most different.
So this is quiet?
This is quiet.
This is quiet mode right here. Wow, that's pretty quiet. Okay, so we're gonna do track mode now. This is probably gonna blow my ears out.
Now we're in track mode.
That was damn impressive. Very big difference, man. The active exhaust is definitely a game changer. So if you're planning to daily drive your car, this is an option you definitely want. It sounds great. It definitely has that deep tone.
The rumor too is supposedly the active exhaust on the Bullitt is slightly also louder than the regular active exhaust on the GT.
Yeah,
so I don't
that's
know,
pretty loud.
I haven't seen nobody with active exhaust GT, so
gotcha.
And you got the extreme, so yours is gonna be extremely louder.
Well, I don't know. In track mode, yours sounds pretty high up there too. But yeah, it sounds really good though. I like the depth to it.
Butterflies in the inside pipes.
The butterfly valves.
Yeah.
No, very, very cool. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead, head out to Mexico, get a few runs in, kind of do a little bit of a comparison. I'm also, before we get out though, I'm gonna give you guys a nice little montage of the car, show you all the little details that come on the Bullitt that you would not find on a regular GT. So here you go. Enjoy that footage right now. Alrighty guys, we're getting ready to head out to Mexico. Should be a very good run. Ready? First gear, 30. Ready? Horsepower, and I think I can definitely see it, the get up and go of it, and it's tuned a little differently. Definitely seems to be a little more aggressive than my car. So we're gonna do one more, we're gonna do a 40 pull right now. We did a 30 right there, the two of them. The first one, I think he was in the wrong gear, he was in second gear. I did mine from first gear. The second one, I think he was from second gear, or sorry, from first gear. He did a lot better. Definitely was pulling on me. I was slowly catching it, but I think he was letting off too, so Missed? Thing sounds good. Definitely sounds different, but I like it. Sounds pretty good. It's like very different. I like it.
Different.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we got a few runs in. You know, from a 40, I'm taking it, but I'm not sure if that's my driving. Might be just a little different. I've raced my car a lot more than he has, so might just be doing a little better. But he's staying right there with me. He's not pulling on me, but we don't have that much space, so we're gonna go somewhere we can get a little more space in Mexico here, so that we can definitely test out the full potential of these cars against each other. Definitely very fun running as always, but trying to do it right and make sure there's nobody around or anything like that. As you guys like to know, or as you guys know, I don't like to have anybody around me when I am running the cars, just for safety of me and others. It's better when there's no one there. That was crazy, bro. I was surprising. I did not expect to get him right there. I got excited to go. I did not expect to get it. I thought he was gonna pull really hard on me. I'm not sure what it is, but this car is actually quicker. Especially from a from 40 and the 50, he jumped out on me. He got the hit. Good runs. I don't think he's too happy that his car is not pulling on me, which I don't blame him because it's supposed to have more power. But we're like neck and neck the whole time. God, friggin' racing manuals is so much fun.
Same shit, that shit doesn't do nothing.
Right? I thought
Faster shifting and
You think so? Damn. Yeah, I don't know. I thought you would be like jumping ahead of me. Like, is the Bullitt a gimmick? I don't know. But I was ripping those gears, not gonna lie. Your hood looked like it was gonna pop open. We were going fast at that last run. I was looking at the like, corner of your hood, and it was just like vibrating, about to pop. It was like lifting up. I was like, damn. Even on the dig race from neck and neck. Yeah.
Better shifting, that's what freaking exhaust, you get it.
It's crazy, I did not expect that. That was fun.